Hi everyone. Welcome. Today, we are tackling a common and often frustrating Python error, ImportError, cannot import name closed from websockets.connection. If you've seen this message, you know how it can stop your project dead in its tracks. We're going to break down why this happens and, more importantly, how you can fix it quickly and get back to building your awesome applications. First, let's understand the error. You are trying to import closed from websockets.connection. Python is telling you that this specific name, closed, simply doesn't exist in that module anymore. The main reason for this error is that the WebSockets library has evolved. Like many popular Python libraries, WebSockets undergoes updates and refactoring. Developers change internal structures. They move constants, rename functions, or remove old features that are no longer needed or have been replaced by better mechanisms. In this particular case, the closed constant was an internal detail. It represented a specific state in the connection lifecycle. Newer versions of the WebSockets library, typically versions 8.0 and above, changed how connection states are managed. They decided to remove closed from public access in websockets.connection. Your script is likely written for an older version of WebSockets, but you have a newer version installed. This mismatch causes the import error. To fix this, you have a few options. The best and most recommended solution is to update your code to match the current WebSockets API. The closed constant was often used in exception handling. For instance, you might have had code like except websockets.exceptions.connection closed as if e.code equals closed. This checked if a connection closed cleanly. The modern and correct way to handle a clean connection closure is to use websockets.exceptions.connection closed OK. This is a specific exception type designed for this exact purpose. So, instead of checking e.code equals closed, you should directly catch connection closed OK. Your updated code would look something like except websockets.exceptions.connection closed OK for clean closures, and then except websockets.exceptions.connection closed for all other types of closures. This approach makes your error handling much clearer and more robust. Another temporary solution, if updating your code immediately is not feasible, is to downgrade your WebSockets library. You could try pip install websockets equals 7.0 or another older version where closed was still available. However, this is generally not recommended for long-term projects. Older versions might have security vulnerabilities or lack new features. Always aim to use the latest stable version and update your code accordingly. Lastly, if you were using closed for a custom state machine, consider using the websocket.closed boolean property directly. This property tells you if the connection is currently closed. Always refer to the official WebSockets documentation for the most up-to-date API information. This ensures your code remains compatible and efficient. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this explanation helps you resolve that pesky import error. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Python tips and troubleshooting guides. See you next time.